This is Penny Jane. She's got 3 little puppies, 2 girls and 1 boy. One girl is chocolate, one boy is chocolate, and then the little girl, I think she's going to be a cream liver. But Penny is surprising me. She's surprising me that she's being such a good mama. There she is. I didn't think she was gonna. She has been throwing me some tricks today, though. Trying to move them around. Trying to put them in different places than where I put her. Putting them in her mouth and carrying them here and there. And I don't understand why she was doing that, but she seems to be settled back down again in the place where I put her. But this little cream one, I think she's cream. And I think I don't know. I haven't named them yet. There she is. I gotta find some names for them. I'm anxious to see what that little light colored one, how she's going to turn out. Whether she's a cream liver or what she is, I'm not sure. But I don't think I've ever had that color. So I might keep her. I just hope they keep doing good. Penny, you're a good mommy. You're being so good. I'm proud of you, Penny. I just thought I had the milk ready, and I was feeding them their milk, cleaning their butts, and making them use the bathroom.